Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, I want to understand my case. Everything is all over the place. It's a lot. It's all over the place. And then ngapha urapad who's a confession. Oh my gosh, abo Baloyi. Baloyi shamu die hard. For real, for real. It doesn't give up. Baloyi is just like an end up. I want you to crack. Guys, over 2 months now. I understand. I'm just like, I'm done. The lies there are catching up so badly because, guys, I mean, Urapadu is not Zulu. So how did he take the statement? How were they engaging with each other? Urapadu, Okena Rapadu, and Bongani Dance. Because those people don't even understand each other. And there was no way Urapadu was going to be speaking English to Dance. Just as much as Dance does actually understand English. Sometimes he actually uses it. He's almost like Faninkosi. Faninkosi wathi ufunda interpret. But he's the one who was correcting the interpreter in English. So I wanna like I'm just like, yeah, guys, winning, Urapadu. I'm sure I will never come to that court me. Yeah. And the buzz will end up having this. Guys, the time that has been wasted in this case is in another level for me. For me, it's the same as the AVL. Ubaloyi wants to believe his own things. And then he's pushing them to that. Sometimes it's like, no, nah. I'm not gonna be listening to that. Because that's not what happened. And by the look of things, it looks like Umohana is gonna have to come back, guys. Just come back. They must just come back to court. It's crazy. It's getting crazier. You know, at the time Ubaloyi is coming guns blazing to Ntanzi, you're gonna crack and you're gonna agree to what I'm telling you. Rapadu did take the confession. Ntanzi is just like, whatever. I'm not backing down. Do what you need to do. Because the problem with Ubaloyi, at the back of his mind, it's like, I am gonna prosecute you. I don't even give. At the time, Ntanzi is like, I need to be prosecuting Kulu. Yeah, so you must know what you are talking about.
Yesterday, uRamosipile had an altercation in Nganyana no Ubaloyi ngalento yakhe yokubuza umpetho. Ebuzana noNtanzi. Nontanzi was backing up. U-attend Ramosipile wakhe. Akafuni ukuzwa next futhi uNtanzi. Yo, it was tense, eh? It was a bit tense when Ubaloyi thought he was clever than all of us. I was just like, Ubaloyi needs to stop it at some stage. And Ntanzi was just like, I said, Carlos. Ubaloyi. And then was Ngena Urata. Now, Urata, who said that? Because is for you. Tinabi said, Carlos. Ntanzi ended up saying, no, Gwasalo Carlos, actually, Nalo Mas. Whatever, like, however you see it, although and uZithulele wasn't really keeping quiet. He was just like, no, please don't mention the Gama piece. Learn him faga in your things and saying that he was with Ntanzi. He wasn't. Please stop. Yabona mina le ngiqede too much le ukuthi athi uNtanzi, then uKelly should be in the dock with us. You know, where is she? And mina lo muntu akumazi. Kusho uNtanzi and Ubaloyi yazi sengathi akazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Athi ushoba. Athi ngisho uKelly like akaliphuza kalisho igama uNtanzi because she's just like, I don't even know that person. Then if she was that person towards us, or okay, man in Zan, then she should be here. And straight to lunch. After that, Ubaloyi couldn't. He was defeated.
Mr. Ntanzi, just to come back to the earlier question, that on the 19th of June 2020, no one knew about the involvement of Mapisa in the matter.
Masingabuyela kuona umbuzo ukuthi nge-19 zika June 2020 akekho umuntu owayazi noma ke owayenolwazi lombandakanyeka kukaMapisa kwicala leli.
Kwamina nkosenkantolo Mapisa ngimazi. Qala umazi ngasesiposhiwe ngo-October.
Even me, my lord, I do not know Mapisa. I started to know him when we got arrested, my lord, and we were in court.
We have earlier put it to you that the incident happened on 26 October 2014. So that period during mid-October 2014 will fall within the time when the incident occurred.
Bese sishilo-ke kuwena ukuthi-ke isigameko lesi sona senzeka ngeyi-26 October 2014. Manje lana-ke kubhalwe ukuthi-ke maphakathi no-October ka-2014, ukusho ukuthi-ke uma kuthi maphakathi no-October kusho ukuthi-ke isikhathi esodwa nelanga leli sigameko esenzeka ngalo.
Mina ngikwazi lokho okubhalwe lapha Nkosi enkantolo.
I know nothing about this which is written here, my lord.
Now, the question, Mr. Ntanzi, is this: how will Lieutenant Colonel Rapadu have known about the involvement of Mapisa?
Umbuzo yilona-ke okay.
Objection, my lord. I think, my lord, at this stage we need to remind ourselves of the law that is applicable. It has also been mentioned by this court on a number of occasions, and from the defense counsel from the bar addressing the court to the issues that confessions are inadmissible against the co-accused. When the state, that is my colleague Advocate Baloyi, is posing this question, especially the commencement of the statement that during mid-October 2014, I received a call from a friend, Mchozi Seni, who was with Mapisa. I submit, my lord, that there is no evidence at Luende, which is evidence out of this confession to support this, of which I find none. Thank you.
Yes.
Well, we're just saying that Mapisa, the surname Mapisa, is also the surname of accused number 4. That's all that we're saying. Nothing more than that.
Is it contained in the confession, so-called confession?
Well, that's we're reading directly from the confession.
My lord, I think I must repeat myself. I'm submitting that there is no evidence at Luende, evidence out of this confession that when the so-called friend Mchozi Seni made a call to the witness, Mr. Ntanzi, he was with Mapisa. So the state should confine itself to the contents of the statement. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Baloyi. Okay.
Unless if it's denied that accused number 4 is Mapisa. All that we're saying is the surname Mapisa is also the same name that accused number 4 is carrying. That's all that we're saying. I don't really understand the objection.
Maybe I must finally submit, my lord, that there is no conviction that can follow from this. Thank you.
So, God, please, my lord, we will proceed.
Yeah, fine.
He informed me about an urgent work that needed to be done, and they need my assistance.
Wangitshela maseqhutshekabe kufunda wangitshela ukuthi ke kwakunomsebenzi ophuthumayo ewadingeka ukuthi ke wenziwe nokuthi ke babedinga usizo lwami.
Nkosi enkantolo ngikwazi mina.
My lord, I know nothing about that.
Umuntu ongaphendula kangcono ngala statement ngaba ngubaba uGendema akathi ngibhale statement.
The person who can answer about with regards to this, it can be Gininda, my lord, because I never wrote a statement.
Carlos was nearby as I could hear his voice in the background.
UCarlos wayeseduze nanjengoba ke iphimbo lakhe ngangilizwa ngasemuva.
Ngiphinde ngiphendule futhi Nkosi enkantolo uMncube angemazi Nkosi enkantolo ngiqala ukumbona nge-27 eBosberg.
Let me answer again, my lord. Ncube is unknown to me. I saw him for the first time on the 27th in Boksburg.
Manje makuthiwa ngabhala statement ngezwe ivoice yomuntu engamazi.
Now, when it is alleged that I wrote a statement and heard the voice of an unknown person,
objection. I suppose the state is reading from what is annotated in the list of documents, which is referred to as a confession that Mr. Ntanzi allegedly did. I don't see up to the stage where the state is mentioning the name Ncube. So I heard Mr. Ntanzi saying Ncube and started to say yes. from the written. And there's no name. There's no work by the name of Mube. Mr. Jonas is saying something I can't do.
I'm saying no, it's not written here, but it came from the witness. Mube is not written here, it came from the witness. Here it's written Carlos.
Yes, that's my concern. The state did not read Mube, it read Carlos. But the answer came with Mube.
Mhlawumbe ngikuxelele kwakusho bakumnisi inkinga anayo la ukuthi uma ngabe umshishisi ufunda uthi uCarlos wayeseduzane nanjengoba ngangizwa izwi lakhe ngemuva uma usuphendula wena-ke uphendula uthi uNcube angimazi uthi-ke ubabumnisi unenkinga-ke yokuthi-ke akunamncube ofundiwe lana kodwa wena uma ngabe uphendula ngokuthi uNcube.
Okay, Carlos mina ngimazi.
Oh, okay, I don't know Carlos.
My Lord, we submit that it's an answer
Yeah,
that
it was
a
an
witness
answer
is
from
you can't object
Mr.
against
Dennis.
an answer that has been provided, my Lord.
Yeah, quite so, I agree. Go on.
No. It's a clarification.
No, wait. The point is, the word Mube, where does it come from? Just repeat what you interpreted.
I'm saying the state read the Carlos, my Lord.
And then?
The response came as
And then what did
Mncube
Mr.
angimazi.
Ntanzi say?
Mncube angimazi.
That's what he said. Mncube angimazi.
Yes, but that's a clarification. But they might not allow to
No.
Because from the document it is very Carlos and not Mube. So I'm bringing my clarification to the attention of the witness.
Are you giving evidence now? Sorry, are you giving evidence now?
Only Carlos.
Are you giving evidence now? Because you say you are bringing clarification to the witness.
Yes, my Lord, it's a concern that I had because the witness is answering something that has not been asked. Am I not allowed to?
That's disallowed then. Okay, just continue.
Excuse me, my Lord.
It's disallowed.
As the court pleases. I promised to assist and I decided to leave for Johannesburg.
Ngathembisa-ke ukuthi ngizosiza ngathatha isinqumo-ke isikhumbo sokuthi ngihambe ngiye eGoli.
Nkosi enkantolo angikwazi.
My Lord, I know nothing about that.
I then left for Vosloorus Men's Hostel, then met with Muzi Sibia, Sifiso Zungu, and also known as Nkani.
Ngase ngihamba-ke ngiya-ke ehosteli-ke amadoda eVosloorus la engahlangana khona-ke noMuzi Sibiya, uSifiso Zungu owaziwa nangeNkankani.
Nkosi enkantolo angiyazi hostel.
My Lord, I don't know the hostel.
Ngisho uSibiya nangiphambi kodwa zange zangadibana emahostel aseGoli.
Even Sibiya, my Lord, here he is in front of the court or before the court. I never met him in any hostel in Gauteng.
Nalo Sifiso Zungu abakhuluma ngayo mina ngimazi.
Even the Sifiso Zungu that they are talking about is unknown to me.
But Sifiso Zungu is Mr. Sifiso Gwabeni Zungu. You did say you know him earlier on in cross-examination.
Kodwa-ke uSifiso Zungu kuba uyena uSifiso Gwabeni Zungu ushilo ngaphambilini ukuthi uyazana naye noma uyamazi.
If I'm not mistaken, you said you went to the same school.
Uma ngenza iphutha uthe nangena isikolo noma nangena isikolo esisodwa nakunani kwisikolo esisodwa.
In your
Awukhulumi iqiniso.
in your
No, we are not
formative
telling
years.
the truth.
Azange ngifunde noGwabeni isikole esisodwa.
I never went to
Yes,
Gwabeni in the same school.
I'm
I
sorry.
attended the same school with Gwabeni.
Let me rephrase. You said Gwabeni is your friend. I'm sorry.
Angikulungiseke lokho uthe uGwabeni umngani wakho.
Yeah.
Yes.
Objection, my Lord. Thank you, my Lord. Sifiso Zungu, it is said it is also known as Nkani, so it should not be read as Gwabeni. Thank you.
You're saying it should not be referenced as what?
It should not be read as Gwabeni. It should not be read as Gwabeni. The statement
Where
is...
is Mr. Baloi reading that Gwabeni from?
Yes.
Hello?
It's not from the statement.
Hello? Is it not from the statement?
Yes. We're saying a person known as Sifiso Gwabeni Zungu exist and did come and testify.
But you're saying that out of your own.
Yes. Maybe I'll just rephrase that, my lord, and read it as it is.
Yeah, fine.
I haven't received a response, my lord, about my objection, because I'm submitting that Sifiso Zungu, that is what is written verbatim from the statement. It says Sifiso Zungu, also known as Nkani. So the state is saying that Sifiso Zungu is Gwabeni. So what is the response from the state?
My lord, we said we'll rephrase. I then left for Foslores Men's Hostel, then met with Mozi Sibia, Sifiso Zungu, there's a comma, also known as Nkani.
Ngase ngihamba ke ngiya ke hostel la ngahlangana khona ke noMuzi Sibiya Sifiso Zungu owaziwa ke nanjengonkani.
Kose enkantolo zange ngidibane ngazo lo date issue lapha kwakhona.
My lord, I never met them on the date which is mentioned here before the court.
Nabo futhi uSibiya ngiyamazi abanye angibazi kana.
Even them as well, my lord. The spear is known to me, the others are unknown to me.
Lo Sifiso Zungu nkani.
The Sifiso Zungu, also known as Nkani.
We just want to read, can we just get the evidence of Mr. Rapad, Lieutenant Colonel Rapad. We just want to get the transcript, my lord, just to read the evidence of Rapadi on this point. Eta Carlos Butelezi and Mapisa joined the gathering at the hostel.
Carlos Butelezi and Mapisa babeke sebefika ke nabo emhlanganweni hostel.
Kose enkantolo zange benomhlangano hostel.
My lord, I never had a gathering at the hostel.
Nomaphisa lokhulunywa ngayo mina ngimazi no Carlos lo angimazi lokhulunywa ngayo.
Even the Mapisa in the Carlos that are being mentioned here, my lord, are unknown to me.
I was briefed that the person to be eliminated or killed was Senzo Meiwa, and the matter is initiated by Kelly Kumalo.
Ngatshelwa ukuthi umuntu ekufanele ukuthi ke agudluzwe noma abulawe kwakusenzo Meyiwa nokuthi ke umuntu ke owazanako ke lokho noma ke owaqala ke lokho kwakuKelly Khumalo.
Kose enkantolo angikwazi lokho mina zange ngibhale statement.
My lord, I know nothing about that. I never wrote a statement.
Why no Kelly Khumalo okhulunywa ngayo mina ngimazi.
Even the Kelly Khumalo that is being mentioned is unknown to me.
Yes. We will just read that entire statement again. There's a portion that follows. I was briefed that the person to be eliminated or killed was Senzo Meiwa, and the matter is initiated by Kelly Kumalo, who was going to make a payment for the whole job.
Ngatshelwa ukuthi ke umuntu ekufanele ukuthi ke agudlezwe noma kulawo kwakusenzo Meyiwa nokuthi ke umuntu owezana konke lokho kwakuKelly Khumalo okwakuyena ke owayezokhokhela ke wonke lo msebenzi.
Kose enkantolo mina ngikwazi lapho.
My lord, I know nothing about that.
Ngiphinde ngibuyele kunenkulumo engayikhumbula lapha yakhunya uBenenda uthi umshushisi wetshele court uBenenda uthi ukuze afinyelele kumsola wokuqala umsola wesihlanu umsola wesine istatement manje sekuvela igama lomunye umuntu but akekho la kula phakathi kwempilo bese kuthiwa mina ngabhala istatement ngakho ngikhosa kathi istatement angisazi nithi mina la kunenkulumo umshushisi athi inkulumo yakhunya uBenenda ukuthi ukuze afike kumsola wesithathu
Bambe lapho. There is a version here of something that was said by the state which is alleged to have come from Belinda.
ukuthi uzafika kumsola wesithathu indaba yestatement lesathena ngasibhala nengithatha ngasibhala.
What led to him getting to accuse number 3, it was because of the statement that I wrote. I am saying I never wrote a statement.
Umsola nomsola wesine.
Accuse as well as accuse number 4
umsola wehlanu
and accuse number 5.
Manje sekuvela igama lomunye umuntu lapha akekho lapha phakathi kwethu.
But now someone else's name appears here, my lord. But that person is not amongst us here.
kodwa utshene ikhotha ukuthi uzabophe bonke abantu indaba yestatimende ngithi ngitshene ikhotha because ikade statement akusazi.
But he is informing the court that the arrest of all the accused before the court came as a result of the statement, and I'm saying that I know nothing about the statement.
Which name are you referring to, Mr. Ntanzi?
Lelo qeda ungifundela lona leli.
The one that you just read out to me now, the witness pointing at the name Kelly Khumalo.
Yes. And why are you concerned that the person is not before court?
Into ekuphatha kabi leyo ukuthi ke akekho la phambi kwenkantolo.
Into engiphatha kabi.
Iyakuhlupha yini leyo nto ukuthi akekho la phambi kwenkantolo?
Mina into engiphethe kabi ngiphethe ukuthi ngihlele lapha ukuthi ngihlele ngibulele bani. Yona into engiphethe kabi enhlizweni yami.
What is not sitting well with me is that I'm seated here before the court, not knowing as to why I'm seated here and who did I kill for me to be sitting here.
Ngoba ngisho abafuthi laba ngihlele labo la ayikho into engidibanisa lona ngaphandle.
Because even my fellow brothers here that I'm seated with here, there's no connection between myself and them outside.
Yes. But Mr. Ntanzi, you said the name Kelly Khumalo is mentioned, but it's not before court. We are asking, why are you saying that? Why are you concerned?
Uthi kubizwa igama lomuntu la bese uyalikhomba ukuthi leli gama leli Kelly Khumalo ukuthi kubizwa igama lana kodwa lo muntu akekho lana uhleli nina lana ungani usho lokho?
Ngishisa inkulumo yakho umshisa ediyasho ugeninda lapha ecourt.
I am saying this based on what the state said, saying that it is what Geninda said before the court.
Uthi umshushisi phambi kwecourt ukuze afinyelele kumsola wesithathu, umsola wesine, umsola wehlanu indaba yestatement.
What the state told the court was that in order to get to accused number 3, accused number 4, as well as accused number 5, it was because of the statement. The statement led them to get to those 3 accused.
Nalelinye igama liyavela kuphi ke nalo muntu akhuluma kunye phela bonke ababoshiwe ukubhala khona istatement lona akaboshwa nami.
Now here is the name appearing. Where is this person? Why is this person not here? Because there are other names that appear here in the statement, and these people have been arrested. So why was this one not arrested?
Well, it is time for the long adjournment. Can we take the long adjournment?
Yep.